Hello, my dear students. Welcome back. This is Ravinder Palkar, your math teacher. Let's start today's video. In this video, we'll do Chapter 4 Cubes and Cube Roots, Exercise 4.4.
Now, our today's topic is cube root of a negative integral perfect cube. How can we find out the cube root of a negative integer which is already a perfect cube? So cube root of a negative perfect cube is the negative of the cube root of its absolute value. अभी एक negative perfect cube का अगर हमने cube root निकालना है वो कैसे आएगा? That will be the negative of the cube root of its absolute value. जो उसकी absolute value है, जो उसका cube root आएगा, उसमें उसके आगे अगर हम negative sign लगा देंगे, that will be the cube root of a negative perfect cube. Or we can say that to find the cube root of a negative perfect cube, we find the cube root of its absolute value and multiply it by -1. ठीक है, उसके एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू का क्यूब रूट निकालो एंड जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई इट विद -1. सपोज वी नो दैट -x क्यूब इज इक्वल टू माइनस ऑफ x क्यूब. सिमिलरली -x क्यूब का क्यूब रूट क्या आएगा? दैट विल बी माइनस ऑफ क्यूब रूट ऑफ x क्यूब. Now see here we have given to find out the cube root of product of integers. How can we find out the cube root of integers are given in product form? For any two integers a and b, we have cube root of ab is equal to cube root of a multiplied by cube root of b. अगर हमारे पास प्रोडक्ट में दिए हुए हैं दो इंटीजर्स जिनका हमने क्यूब रूट निकालना है, सपोज दोज आर 216 एंड 125, तो उनका कैसे निकालेंगे हम? That will be equal to cube root of 216 multiplied by cube root of 125. Separately we will find out the cube root of both two, then we will multiply both. Okay. Now next is cube root of rational number. How can we find out the cube root of rational number? That is equal to cube root of numerator divided by cube root of denominator. Now let's start the exercise 4.4. First question is find the cube root of each of the following integers. कुछ integers दिए हुए हैं जिनके हमने cube root निकालने हैं. See, -125 का if we have to find out the cube root, firstly what we will do, cube root of -125 negative will come out, so we have to find out the cube root of 125 and multiply it with minus. Okay, so factors of 125 are 5 into 5 into 5, that is 5. Okay. Similarly, minus of 5832, how can we find the cube root of -5832? Negative will come out. Factors of 5832 are 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3, 3 into 3 into 3. That is -18. Now the next question number 2 is show that cube root of 27 multiplied by cube root of 64 equals to cube root of 27 into 64. That we have to show that it is equal. ठीक है. So firstly we will solve the left hand side. Cube root of 27 is 3. Cube root of 64 is 4. So multiplied, if we'll multiply the both, we get 12 as the answer. Now right hand side, if we'll solve 27 into 64, 27's factors are 3 into 3 into 3. 64 के factors क्या हैं? 6 times 2. So we get here also 12 answer. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence verified. Now question number 3 is find the cube root of each of the following numbers. 8 into 125. If we need to find out the cube root of this, we'll make factors of 8. We'll find out the factors of 8 first, then factors of 125. So we got 2 into 5, that is 10. Similarly, -729 into -15625. So minus will come out. 729 के factors होते हैं 6 times 3. Minus here also will come out. 15625 के factors होते हैं 6 times 5. So we got 9 into 25, that is 225. Okay. Now question number 4 is evaluate cube root of 4 cube into 6 cube. We have to evaluate means find the value of 4 cube into 6 cube. Okay. We have done in chapter 2 powers, है ना, 4 cube into 6 cube. That if powers are same, base is different, in between multiplication sign is there. So what we can do, we can multiply the bases and powers will be common. So it can be written as 24 power 3. Now cube root and power 3 will be cancelled. Answer will be 24. See this now, 125 into cube root of a6 minus cube root of 125 a6. 125 will be like this only, cube root of a6 minus cube root of 125 a6. तो a6 we have done in powers chapter. इसकी पावर कैसे लिख सकते हैं? a power 2 into 3 भी लिख सकते हैं because 2 into 3 will be 6. तो यहाँ पे also 5a square into 3 लिख सकते हैं. 5 का क्यूब बनेगा 125, a square का क्यूब बनेगा a6. Okay. सो ये क्यूब के साथ ये पावर ख़त्म हो जाएगी, इधर भी ये क्यूब के साथ ये पावर ख़त्म हो जाएगी, तो यहाँ बचेगा ए स्क्वायर और यहाँ बचेगा 5a स्क्वायर। तो ये बन गया 125a स्क्वायर माइनस 5a स्क्वायर, दैट इज इक्वल टू 120a स्क्वायर। Now next question number 5 is find the cube root of each of the following rational numbers. Now rational numbers are given, we have to find out the cube root of these. Minus 125 upon 729 का cube root निकालना है, that minus will come out, तो cube root of numerator over cube root of denominator we get 5 by 9, minus of 5 by 9. Similarly question number 6 says find the cube root of each of the following rational numbers. ये rational numbers हैं, इनके cube root निकालना है. So first is 0.001728. This is in the decimal form. We have to convert it into the rational form. It will become 1728 divided by 1000000. Now the factors of 1728 are 12 into 12 into 12. और इसके factors क्या बनते हैं? 6 times 0 है ना? 6 times 0 that means 100 into 100 into 100. So cube root निकाला तो आया 12 by 100. So it is equal to 0.12. Similarly this 0.003375 उसको पहले रैशनल नंबर की फॉर्म में लिख लिया, फ्रैक्शन की फॉर्म में, देन फैक्टर्स, देन क्यूब रूट. ओके, नाउ सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 इज evaluate each of the following. Cube root of 27 plus cube root of 0.008 and cube root of 0.64. 27 का क्यूब रूट निकाला, दैट इज 3. 0.008 का निकाला, पहले उसको फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट किया 8 by 1000, तो ये 8 के फैक्टर्स बन गए 2 into 2 into 2 और 1000 के बने 10 into 10, ये बन गया 2 by 10 मतलब 0.2. सिमिलरली 64 by 1000 के निकाले, वो बना 0.4. देन वी ऐड देम, इट बिकम्स 3.6. Now last question for today's video is cube root of 0.027 over 0.008 divided by square root of 0.09 divided by 0.04 minus 1. Here cube root is there and here is square root. So we have to convert into fraction first. 27 upon 1000, ये बन जाएगा 1000 upon 8, यह 9 upon 100, ये है 100 upon 4. 1000 के 1000 कट गया, 100 के साथ 100 कट गया, ये बच गया 27 upon 8, यहाँ बच गया 9 by 4. Now cube root of 27 is 3 and cube root of 8 is 2. Square root of 9 is 3 and square root of 4 is 2. 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 कितना होता है? 1. ठीक है, 1 minus 1 कितना होता है? 0. Okay, that is all for today's video. In the next video we'll complete this exercise. Thank you so much students.